All right, everyone. Welcome back to week 3 of Gauntlet AI. And this week we are designing a CRM system, Auto CRM. I've designed a simple system and hosted on Amplify with a Superbase background and a React frontend. And it's already deployed online. So let's go ahead and sign in. We have a small authentication right now, and I've already authenticated myself. So we'll go ahead and enter, and this is our prototype CRM. You can see in the dashboard we have some basic information about the total tickets, the open tickets. We haven't solved any of the tickets yet, and simple statistics such as resolution rate and the average response time. You can also filter according to how the time frame you like. Um, and let's see here, we have the user list. I've added a couple of test users and of course Faith here. And these are registered as employees right now because they can basically see all the tickets and respond to them and close them if they like. Can make an employee a customer or remove an employee or a customer however we want. And I've also added a couple of customers myself and a couple of test customers here. So what you can do is if you want to add a customer through this system, you can use, let's say here, a.com, and then you can also specify the company name, phone, and the status, whether they are an active customer or an active customer. Add this one here, and it will list all the customers in this page. The central feature I want to display today is, of course, the tickets, which is the main reason for having a CRM. And a ticket is basically if a customer has a problem they run into while using our services, they can create a ticket, seek help, and one of the employees, one of the support staff in the company is going to be able to pick up your ticket and help you out in order to solve your problem. So I've had a couple of tickets here, for example, but we'll create a new ticket. And this is the side that the administration can access. So this ticket is created by the support staff itself. We will see the user ticket creation menu later on, but let's call this a testing title, and let's say I can't access my account, right? And let's say, or the user, obviously. So let's say the customer here is K. K cannot access their account, and I want to assign this to Faith, right? So K is having the problems, and Faith is hopefully going to solve K's problems. And we can set the priority here depending on how urgently we have to resolve this matter. And let's say it's very urgent. Let's create the ticket and it will be added here. Now, this page is paginated so you can see 5, 10, 25, 20, or 50 tickets at a time. And it's going to cache all the results. So it's going to do server-side rendering. And then when you enter the app through the front end, it's going to display the tickets really fast, even if there are hundreds and thousands of tickets that you have to see. And you can here filter by whether they are open or closed, or whether they are urgent. Let's see, you open and the only urgent ones here, as you can see. And when you click on it, you can change the information about the ticket, and you can close it or assign it to someone else. Let's say it's closed. Closed, and you see the status will be updated here. Now, in terms of the user itself, they will not be able to see this information, but they will be able to create their own support tickets on their own end. And the way to do this is, first of all, they will be greeted by this help center, which will try to solve their problem before they start a ticket. And once they go through this help center, if they still cannot find the problem, they will add their ticket through this screen. We've also added a button for the documentation. So we will implement a feature where when the user describes their problem to an AI agent, will bring up the relevant documentation and try to solve the user's problem for them without starting a ticket. And if it is unable to solve the problem, then it will allow the user to create a ticket. So right now, this is an MVP. It should be enough as a foundation for the AI features that we will be building throughout this week. Thank you.